So ma'am, ba't po tayo nandito? Ano po yung ginawa natin?
So, nag-file tayo ng letter petition sa Department of Justice na sana mag-issue na ng full departure order against Apollo Kibuloy, the evangelist, the evangelist na alleged sex offender, wanted ng FBI, para masigurado natin na mapapanagot natin siya at hindi natin hahayaang tumakas at makatakas siya sa hustisya laban na sa mga ginawa niyang alleged crimes.
So already meron ng inilabas na ILBO naman yung Department of Justice. Bakit kinakailangan pang mag-HBO? Hindi ba sapat yung ILBO lang?
Oo, naniniwala kasi tayo na kailangan siguraduhin natin hindi makakatakas ang sa hustisya si Kibuloy. We understand that we need to make sure na he doesn't slip through the cracks of justice and that we hold him accountable, especially because this is also the DOJ standing up for the rights of women and the rights of those who were victimized by the Doomsday Projects.
Yung bag mo ko yung bag. Wala lang yung bag.
Hindi niya naman.
Ito yung laban.